No, it's not a cap. Stop wearing your Autogele as if it's a cap. I'll be showing you how to wear your Autogele easily. Now I've got my Autogele here. The first thing I will do, I'll place it on my head this way, and this is the plaster. I've got my plaster here. I'll go ahead and clip the plasters together. After clipping it, then I will tie my hand. As you can see, I make sure if I have my hair done, then I will leave some space in front before placing my Autogele. But if I don't, I prefer to bring it to the front here before shifting it to the back. So I will go ahead and tie my Autogele. I can decide to shift it back more. Here you can see my Autogele sitting pretty well on my head. And one more thing, as important as it is for the front part of your hair of your Autogele to look beautiful, it is also important for the back of your Autogele to also look superb. So I'll be showing you one or two things that you can do to make so that those people looking from the back, they will be able to feel your Autogele and know that, oh, this is looking beautiful. So it's either you fold your Autogele this way, so that if you have your hair then will come out from the middle, or I'll just bring everything out. If I don't have any hair done, I'll just go ahead and bring it together this way. And I'll squeeze everything. I go ahead, bring everything together this way. And I'll just pin it. And I'll just pin it somewhere. And I'll pin it. It's just to fold it. Just fold. We just fold it in. We are good to go. As you can see, my Autogele is looking beautiful, both in the front and at the back. So thank you for watching.